That's how you staple stuff.
101, bitches.
Let's go on Facebook.
I don't give a fuck.
And
What happens when your brother gives you a piece of shit fucking staple gun?
Damn, you gonna break the fucking pallet before you done. Climb up the motherfucker, why don't you?
Fuck, man. Quit give me more than 4 fucking staples.
I don't have that big of a piece of staples.
That's why you put more than one piece.
They were all rusty because I got them out of
Fuck you, I'm not holding
wet
on
box.
no more. I'm scared you didn't shoot me in the eye with one of them bitches.
Alright, one more piece. You ready? Last fucking staple.
Yep, you're still on video.
Bitch. This bitch ain't working.
Got it?
Got fucking staples aside.
They put aside then.